In this tutorial, I'll show you how to put bullet points side by side in Google Docs. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips. The best way to do this is by using a table. Underneath your bullet list, click Insert, Table, and choose how many columns you want. For example, if you want 2 columns, select a 2-column table. Now take half of your list and paste it into the first column, then move the remaining part of the list into the second column. Next, click anywhere inside the table, then go to Format, Table, Table Properties. From here, you can remove the table border so that it looks like your bullet points are placed neatly side by side without any visible table lines. If you'd like to add even more columns, simply right-click and insert another column to the right. Then move some of your bullet points into the new column. You can use this method to create 2, 3, or even more columns of bullet points depending on how you want your document formatted. And that's it. You've now learned how to place bullet points side by side in Google Docs using tables. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs guides.